In Ganttic, a resource is anything you plan for: people, equipment, vehicles, even rooms. If you assign tasks to it, it's a resource. There are two easy ways to add a new resource to your planner. First, click the plus icon in the left sidebar and select Resource. Now give it a name and save. Or, head to the resource list, click Add New, and fill in the details there. For organizations with large resource pools, you can also import a CSV file to add resources in bulk. Better planning starts here. Add your resources and begin setting your plans in motion.